Hi, Duba. Today I got a chance to to put together a demo for you. Basically, the demo is just like exploring the real-time write API in Rockset and connect with Rockset from columns and show how we using the scuba style kind of visualization tool to analyze and build the real-time visualization. So here, I actually, created a write API in Rockset, and I got this URL, and I just write a very, very simple script to keep it every 1/10 second, 100 milliseconds. I post one message to this, data set. The data set is called test RT, real time, and the data is basically just like randomly pick a name and randomly pick a value. So Rockset is awesome with Nebular, super great. I just let it run. So this is keep pumping the message into Rockset in this table. So next, let's to how we show the connection. I added one connections in the comms.ai. So I hope you like this demo. Take a look. Once you logged in the data connection part, we have create. Look at here. We have Rockset logo here. We can connect to Rockset collection. Actually, it's a Rockset Lambda. So you click this, copy over the API key. This is my API key, and the Lambda function URL. What's the URL? Let me see. I think it's right here. It's live streaming. I just added a URL, so I copy this URL and I paste it in the Lambda URLs section, and I enter it, and it shows me, give me sample dataset, most recent data, recent dataset. Data window, I explained this to you. This is like how long we keep the data in columns AI distributed cluster. And the data latency is basically defined, the maximum time you wait for the data get refreshed. Right now, I set it as a minute, so from 1 minute to 30 minutes depends on the need of the user. Definitely, if we really want to get a second, that's fine too. I just don't see a point about how frequent you do the. Anyways, we can modify this. The UI is very super simple. You submit this basically just to your two items. You submit it. You get this the data schema definition. Basically, it gives you sample data and check whether the detection of the type is right. Here actually is big int double. I mean it's okay. Event time is basically we have time defined time column. We select this event time as ISO time. Some other formats we may also have, but let's use in ISO time. This is a sample. So here I say test connecting with Rockset live streaming. Okay, and this is a data set. You can give it a new name. I mean, this name is now is in columns AI. Anyways, so we import this data set. By the way, the import is just a name. It literally just like connection. So now you can see here we have a new source, which is Rockset, and we right now I didn't open it for auto query. Only me. It's private, and we have all the description. If you click it, you can see the sample data from the collection, and in the action set you can basically just like share the data, create a visual. This is something we are interested. Go to the UI, which is we think is kind of like scuba style kind of like UI. First time it needs time to warm up. I mean we need a little bit better to polish this UI, but literally I mean you can just like see how long we have like pumped the data in. It's 8 minutes later, and then right now it's basically 5 minutes delay with current time. It's the way how frequent we put the Lambda API, and by default is timeline, and you can definitely do other things. For example, I want to just like based on the name. Oh, I have got a lot of like name. Rockset is great, something like that, right? And if you don't want timeline, I'm definitely you can see just like single line. We can be a little bit more smaller, like how to not person high. Let's say we want to count to see if it's like kind of even, yeah. and you can definitely do other things as well. If I want to do the multiple value, for example, I want to see P50 value and P99 value to see, okay, you got like group kind of style. You can drop a note and see, hey, what's going on? I mean, definitely this is not a random data set. Let me delete this annotation. And yeah, I mean, we have great visualizations together with all this type of real-time kind of concept about it. So let's see if we want to just like for 4 minutes, like just want to make things change like 40. Let's see the count. You will see the difference, right? Remove name. This is a 1178 message, and if I go to 30, it's 2002. I mean, yeah, depends on your time range. I mean, you can keep going. This is very simple schema, but you can do whatever great things you have. And also, we generated like column AI specific language in JavaScript actually. So you can copy this code and you can go to app building part and you can create an application and you can basically just like put this in and you can just execute it and you can get the data and you can autograph it. If I want just like line, users can really build a great dashboard here. Oh, this is actually by time. Let's just by timeline. So I can run it again. I get the time window. And you can see this is a whole thing by count. Oh, the naming scene doesn't seem like it's really useful. Anyways, I think here we need to configure some key. But this is just like demonstration. Like you can just sort of save it as like say, okay, my Rockset real-time dashboard, and you save this, save and exit, and then now you can see this, and you can basically publish this dashboard or add a team, share with people. Well, let me make it public for now since this is a test data set. You can get this unique URL and share with people, and people can just like, I mean, if you supported some input, they can do that as well. Okay, I think this is good enough for the demo. Let me know if you like it. I hope you like it. I really see this potential. If I can really do something with you, that would be wonderful. Yeah. Thank you.